What the one goodies? Welcome to your girl channel. Today we're going to season some chicken wings because we are going to fry these. So these are the seasoning that I am using. Some Maggi chicken seasoning, Cool Runnings all-purpose seasoning, Cool Runnings chicken seasoning, some smoked Spanish paprika, and I'm also gonna go in with some garlic powder and onion powder. This is mixed together. I'm just gonna rub this in. You can add a little bit of black pepper if you want. So we are just gonna combine this nicely. And then of course we want our chicken wings to be marinated. Please wash your chicken wings in some vinegar or some lemon juice, okay? Or both. Alright, so we're just gonna cling wrap these and we're going to leave them for about an hour. Or if you wanna do this overnight, it's better. Alright goodies, so I've went ahead and I've breaded some of my wings. So I don't like to bread everything and put it down because it sometimes gets soggy and I don't like that for me. So I've breaded half of it. So I basically use flour and all of the seasoning that I used to season my meat. I add some to the bread, to the flour to make the breading. Just combine all of that. You want to add a sazon to the flour. It gives it a nice color. I'm using some leftover grease that I had fried chicken in about 2 days ago. Time is too hard, goodies. Time is too hard. I can't throw that grease out. The thing is, sometimes when you use leftover grease, it gives your chicken a slightly darker color, but it doesn't let it taste any way like funny or stuff like that. So don't worry about the taste. It's just that it might not give it that rich, pretty golden color. So if you're not doing this for home use, do not reuse your grease. So over here on my stove I have the used grease in my Dutch pot. So it's just warming up now. I think it's ready, so we're going to go ahead and we are going to add our chicken. It is on high now. As soon as you add all of your wings, you can go ahead and turn it down to medium. I think my grease wanted to be hot a little bit more, but that's okay. So I've added all of my wings that I've breaded. I'm just gonna leave it now and allow it to fry on one side, then I turn it over. Do not shift this because you will not get the crispiness that you're looking for if you turn them too quickly or if your oil gets too cold. So leave it on high for about 2 minutes and then you can turn it on medium high, okay? All right. So goodies, I just turn them over on the other side. I love to turn these multiple times. I don't like frying them on one side for too long. So I'm just allowing the other side to brown and I'm turning back over, and when I get my desired look, my desired color, I'm going to take them out. Yeah. Okay goodies, so this is what my chicken wings are looking like. Look at that. They are amazing, aren't they? Nice and beautiful. Let me know what you think. I still have some frying, one last set, but about 4 pieces. So look at that. Let me know what you think about this recipe. If you will be trying it out, leave me a comment. Remember, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. It is free and it helps my channel to grow so I can share my recipes with you. Just hit the subscription button. Turn on your post notification as well if you do not want to miss any of my uploads. Share it with a friend. Alright, if you want to sauce these, you can make some sauce, barbecue sauce, whatever sauce. You can make some garlic, butter garlic, lemon pepper, whatever sauce you like, barbecue, whatever. I can just dip these in there. I'm telling you, look at that. See, even though I used grease, they still come out pretty well. Pretty well, and they even look better than this. I think my lighting is bad as well, but yeah. Alright then, goodies, until next time, walk good and let the good Lord bless you.